During our school days, each and every child wants to become a topper in the class. Is it possible for everyone to become a topper? Everybody wishes, but only few can. Can you tell me why? Good habits produce clear mindset, and clear mindset creates new wishes. This creates an urge to become a sincere and obedient child. Hence, good habits lead a child to a positive path of success. If you want to become a successful in your life, you should follow some good habit other than your talent, your intelligence, your education, your skills. Thank you.